Hi everyone, this is Knowledge Topper, and in this particular video we try to briefly discuss and understand the whole process of LC, letter of credit. But there's one important thing for you guys, like before understanding the process of LC, you guys must know the basics related to LC, letter of credit, like what is letter of credit, the parties involved in letter of credit, the purpose of letter of credit, etc., etc., and so on. And like I already made a detailed video on this, and I post the link for that in description, so do first watch that, as it will clear your basic concept and understanding related to LC. Now comes to the process of letter of credit, our today's topic. This is the complete process. I will explain to you this in easy steps. So let's get into this video. Look, as you can see, there are in total of 8 steps, and there are 4 parties involved in LC. Like you can see, there is an importer. Here you can see that there is an importer, as well as like importer who is the buyer of goods, who is being involved in international trade. And there is an issuing bank, like here it is an issuing bank, who issues LC on behalf of an importer, as well as there is an exporter. Right here there's an exporter, and who is also the seller and being involved in international trade. And the fourth party is the advising bank, who is also called the confirming bank sometimes. And the advising bank is one who advises the LC to exporter and act on behalf of an exporter. Now the very first step, like if we talk about our steps now, like as you can see, this is our first step. Our the very first step is that the trade parties agrees on the contract and also agrees to the use of LC. So this is the first step. Okay, now the second step is as you can see here, the importer applies to the issuing bank to issue an LC in favor of the exporter. Okay, now if we talk about the third step, as you can see, the third step is between issuing bank and advising bank. Like in third step, the LC is sent by the issuing bank. Okay, the LC is sent by the issuing bank to the advising bank. The advising bank is generally based in the exporter's country and may even be the exporter's bank as well. Now in fourth steps, in fourth step, the advising bank verifies the authenticity of the LC and forward it to the exporter. And if we talk about our fifth step, in fifth step, after receiving the LC, the exporter verifies the LC as per their satisfaction, and after getting satisfied, the exporter initiate the goods shipping process. Okay, so in fifth step, there is a good shipping process. Now if we talk about our sixth step, as you can see here, this is the sixth step. In sixth step, after the goods are shipped by the exporter either on their own or through the freight forwarder who shipped the goods sends or present the documents to the advising bank for taking payments from issuing bank. Okay, so this is the sixth process. And if we talk about our seventh process, like you can see, in our seventh process, there is documents are forwarded. Okay, like the advising bank in return the document to the issuing bank, and the amount is paid, accepted, or negotiated as the case may be. The issuing bank pays the amount, the negotiated or the accepted, or whatever in case, the amount paid by the issuing bank to the advising bank in this step. If we talk about our last step, which you can see right here, verifies and sends it. Like in eighth step, the issuing bank verifies the documents and obtains payment from the importer, because in our seventh step, the issuing bank has already made payment to the advising bank. Okay, so in eighth step, the issuing bank verifies the documents and obtains payment from the importer by sending the documents to the importer who uses issuing bank to get possession of the shipped goods that is being internationally traded between importer and exporter. Okay, so this is the complete process of LC. Hope you understand this clearly. If you like this video, thumbs up. Do subscribe our channel Knowledge Topper, as well as like our Facebook page, and do join our Facebook group as well. You'll find a lot of good material related to these topics as well as from other courses as well. So this is the video for all of you guys. Thank you so much everyone. It's time to say bye bye.